Yeah, I have a hard time with several emails at a time. You gotta get a bit of time. I'll go ahead and start with stuff and then just dive into the quiz if you don't have a question.
Okay.
Your father has an official for this day and for the chance that we have to meet together and go over the new concepts and the new unit that we have. Thankful for all the resources we have and the help that we provided with for the preparation for our exam last week. And pray that as we move forward, we can continue to retain the old concepts and formulas as well as add new information on this new unit. We're thankful for all our many blessings and the chance we have to study in this class and the knowledge that it adds to our capacity and also capacity to think theology and be described to them.
Amen.
Quiz open yet?
Yeah, I opened it and I answered the first two questions.
Cool. Question 3. Pie chart, why are the slices different sizes? Is it each slice is random? Is it size each slice depending on how the pie is? Present a strategy that is part of the slice represents the proportion of the total occupied by the pie.
Okay. How are bar charts and Pareto charts related? Let's see. Pareto charts are constructed from tossing a coin several times. They are identical. The only difference between a bar chart and a Pareto chart is that the bars in the Pareto chart are ordered from largest to smallest, going from left to right. I would say it's the last one.
Yeah. Okay, information. Use the following information for the next 3 questions. You conclude that P is a caret distributed if NP is greater than 10 and 1 minus P is greater than or equal to 10. Is P the true proportion or the sample proportion? We always just pick the caret off, so I think it's the true proportion.
Yeah, because the P hat would be the sample proportion. Yeah. Okay, what is N? That would be the sample size.
If P equals 1/4, what is the smallest N that satisfies the requirement?
Did we learn how to do that?
Yeah, so we use the, it has to be normally distributed, so we just use that formula for that later. And P
Oh.
and N minus P greater than 1/10. So that would make it, 40 is the smallest.
40? 40?
Oh. 0.2 times 40 equals 10.
Okay.
And then for the other, I'm actually can't remember these equations, but I think it's both. So N 0.25 times 1 minus 40. That was kind of messed it up. I don't know.
Okay. All right, so for question 8, suppose that n equals 24 and that p equals 0.4. What is the mean of p hat? Round the answer to the 10th place. Okay. Okay, wouldn't that just be 20? Wouldn't that just be 0.4?
0.4?
For number 8, because they're just asking for the mean of p hat. And then in my notes, I wrote down that the mean of p hat is equal to p.
Oh, okay. Standard deviation and standard base. One. Did you get that?
Yeah, I'm almost done. Let's see. Hold on. Come on. Yeah, I got 0.1 as well.
Cool.
Okay. For question 10, it says use the following information to answer the next 4 questions. Brittany's batting average is .300. We want to determine the probability that she'll get more than 35 hits in her next 100 bats, where n equals 100 and the p equals 0.3. What is p hat? And round the answer to 2 decimal places. So that'd just be 0.30.
No, we're not finding the mean of p hat, are we? So the p hat doesn't necessarily equal.
I don't know, because all I have written down is the mean, the standard deviation, and then the z score. I have no idea.
Okay, so yeah, it's like it's it's going to find the z-score and then type that into the probability output.
Oh, okay. I see.
So do we use the one that we just used, the p times 1 over n square rooted, and then type that into the, is that the same? No, this one's
No, I was using, here, I'll share my screen. See, I was using that equation right there. The p hat minus p, and then what you just said, p times 1 minus p over n.
So how do you give us p hat then? Would that be 35 or 0.35? So 4 p hat. So I feel like we can't use equations that actually use it if we don't actually know what it is.
That's true. That's true. I think it would be 0.35.
Okay.
I didn't read the whole equation.
So what did you get anyway, just for fun?
I was still doing it. I had gone to look for the equation, and I was going to be like, well, the top's going to equal 0, so that's going to give me a problem, and that's when you said something. Yeah.
Hopefully that's right, because now question 11 says, what is the standard deviation of? And now we can plug that in.
For this one, do we use 0.35 or 0.300 as p? When we're doing the standard deviation?
As p is 0.0. And then
Okay.
p hat is 0.35.
Oh, I see.
.046.
Yeah, because you got 0.0458 and then rounded up, right?
Yeah.
Okay. That's what I got as well. For question 12, asks for the z-score. I got 1.087.
Okay. What did you say you got?
1.087.
Oh, did you use your rounded up answer that we got last time for the denominator?
Yeah. Was I not supposed to do that?
Okay, because I got 1.0.
Let me see. I think I did something wrong.
I think it was just a rounding up because it's not that different. So I have to round up until the whole equation comes.
Oh, it's true, huh? Let's see. $1.092. Is that what you got?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, question 15. What's the probability 35% and that's 100 at that? So we just put the 1.093 in the probability of that. I got 0.1274.
Me too. Okay. For the next three questions it asks, or the information is, if the true proportion of people who support a political candidate is P equals 0.52 and N equals 2,000 people, 2,000 people are surveyed, we want to determine the probability that the results will suggest that the candidate is losing the election, getting less than 50% of the votes. What is the standard deviation of P? Okay. Okay, I got 0.011.
Okay.
Okay. So for p hat, do we use like 49, or is it 0.51 or 0.50? No, for p hat, because it's saying we have to get less than 50%. So is that 0.49?
Use 50 as like the barrier mark, and so I think it would be.
All right. So what would you use as p hat?
So P is 0.52.
Yeah.
Like that's P. So P hat, I thought we were talking about 0.50. Wouldn't it?
I don't know. See, I actually did have a question about the problems, but I forgot. But it was for things like this when it asked for percentages, and I was following the videos and stuff, and I couldn't really understand it. I just fell asleep. But when it asks for getting, like, there was a question in the video if like X amount of people voted for Obama, what would be like the winning percentage? And the guy said 0.50, and I was like, wouldn't that just be half the people? But he used that as a winning percentage. And that's where I got confused. And then here it asks if getting less than 50% of the votes would mean that the guy lost the election. So does that mean that we still use 0.50 as the p hat, or do we have to go like 0.49? Am I making any sense, or?
Yeah, for sure.
Okay.
Let's try it. Let's see, like, it's like you could keep it going and say, oh, that's where it would be. But if you want to try to and then I'll try to go, and then we'll see who gets it right, and then we can go back and retake it.
Yeah.
Then we could actually find out.
Okay, I'm cool with that. So I'll do the 0.49, and you'll do the 0.5. Is that what you said?
Yeah.
Okay.
think that's see that. Score I got negative 1.799.
All right.
What did you get for yours?
I got negative 2.685.
Okay. Question 16. What is the probability the survey results which the candidate is using to P equals 5Q?
For mine, I got 0.0036. So I went to 0.004.
Okay. You said you got 0.036 or
I got
0.036.
yeah 0.0036.
And you were highlighting the left side.
Yeah, the left side.
I got 0.036.
Huh. That's pretty close.
Yeah. All right.
All right. What'd you get?
Yeah, I got 100%.
Okay. Yeah, I got my last two wrong.
You want to go back there and just have to get to you, or just do your own calculations?
No, I'll do it again. But you said you got negative 1.799.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll write that down.
I think it was like negative 1.79855 or something.
Okay. And then you got 0.036 is the
Yeah.
okay. All right, I'll do it again. It's gonna take me a while to open the test and all that. So
Yeah, this will just be brainstorming for study ideas, and we'll hopefully have something a little bit more next time.
yeah, I'll email you some ideas that I come up with.